Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I am a neon skeleton like person. I don't really know how to explain this, but I'm like basically a skeleton but with neon colors. And honestly, I think this look is super cool. It is super easy to do and I love it. It was super fast. Took me only like 30 minutes. That's not even that long. So yeah, if you're super fast at it, you can do it in like 30 minutes, but it took me like an hour and a half, so. Yeah, that's super fun. This is a super fun, easy Halloween makeup look that you could do for Halloween. So if you guys want to see how I got this super easy skeleton look, then keep on watching. Woo, woo, woo. Alright guys, so let's start. So I'm gonna start off with a super teeny weeny brush. And I'm gonna take this white concealer and we're gonna like map out what we're gonna do. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do kind of like a neon skeleton. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna get some white on it, like that. No. And then we're gonna kind of like map out, you know, where we want it. So I'm just gonna do a circle around my face first, pretty much. All right, guys. So I'm kind of doing like a skeleton. So me and my friends are being football players, and my guy friends were supposed to be cheerleaders, but they bailed on us. So now it's just us girls being football players. But we don't know if our jerseys are gonna come because everyone's saying that doesn't seem like they're gonna come. Like it's kind of like a sketchy site, I guess. We should have found that out where we bought them, but yeah. Mine says it's supposed to arrive tomorrow, so hopefully it comes tomorrow. If not, then we are gonna be cows. So yeah. Okay, so pretty much I'm just kind of outlining my face in the shape that I want. So I just did this, like, not even really a shape, I guess. It's just kind of like a way I did it. Now, since it's gonna be like neon, I decided to do pink. So I'm gonna use a mix of neon pinks. The first color I'm using is from the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. His palette is super colorful. I'm using that pink right there. And I'm also using the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette. And I'm using that pink right there. So yeah, I'm just using a mix. And then I'm gonna go right on top with this. And the reason we did the white in the first place is because it'll make the pink look a lot better. I guess I should actually like outline the rest that I'm gonna do. Next thing we're gonna do is around the eyes and the nose. I'm just gonna do like this, I think. Now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished with the eyes. They look like pretty even in my opinion. So now we're gonna move on to the mouth part. So we're gonna start here and I'm just gonna like that pretty much. Okay, now let's do the other side. There, and we're gonna go, whoa. Okay, guys, now that comments are back on, which I'm actually super happy about, I want you guys to put in the comments what you're being for Halloween, and I want you guys to put suggestions of what you guys want me to do for just a regular look or like a Halloween look or something like that, and I will try and make that happen. The most requested one I'll probably do. Starting with one line like this. Like this. Pretty much. Now I think we can get to the pink part. So let's do that. Again, I'm just mixing a couple different colors and just going over it. This is looking really good. Let's get it. Okay, I'm actually loving this right now. Neon pink. I couldn't decide on neon green or neon pink, but I thought neon pink would be pretty cool. So that's what I'm doing. Guys, Halloween is literally like 2 weeks away and cannot wait. Halloween is my favorite holiday. I just love being scared, so like scary movies, haunted houses, and all that stuff are like my favoriteest thing in the world. Not really sure why. I think I just like being scared and having a lot of adrenaline going. I'm almost done with this part of my face. Alright guys, I finished blending it out. So now I'm just gonna do this to the rest. So just taking that pink. Okay, I'm gonna finish outlining everything and like blending it, and then I'll be back for the next step. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna take the super teeny brush and I'm gonna put some white face paint on it, and we're gonna go right in like the middle, and we're just gonna do line in the middle, and it'll make it look super cool. Just watch. Just do that through all of the pink. Just like that, and then we're gonna do this everywhere else. Alright guys, so here it is all finished. I think it looks super good. I love the neon looking like sort of color, and I think it looks super awesome. Let me know what you guys think, but yeah, I think it looks super cool. I don't think I'm gonna be this for Halloween. I think I'm gonna do what I'm doing with my friends, but definitely I might do this another year. So if I do, I'll let you guys know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this look. I think it was a super fun and easy look to do, and yeah, I really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.